The viral projector window is everywhere right now. 5 different brands, same ad creative, same $99 price tag, same too good to be true demo. So I went deep into hundreds of buyer reviews, return rates, and actual specs nobody on TikTok is showing you. 5 brands. One result that surprised me. Here's what's actually real, what's a scam, and what's worth your money. You saw the ad. You sent it to your partner. You said this would look insane in our bedroom. You're not stupid. You want to know if this one's different. And if it is, which one of these 5 identical looking brands is the actual one to buy. 4 of these projectors are running the same hardware. One of them isn't. The difference between the 4 and the 1 is not the picture quality. It's something else entirely. I'll tell you which one in a minute. First, why this whole product category exists. For years, mini projectors were either $10,000 in serious or $50 in landfill. Nothing in the middle. That gap closed in 2024. Mini projectors now sit at the under $100 price point with full Android operating systems, real wireless screen mirroring, real HDMI input. The category exploded, and the moment that happened, drop-shipping brands flooded in. LumiBeam, Beamly Home, Pixie Beam, Realm Portal, Oklumi, and a dozen unbranded Amazon listings, mostly running the same factory hardware, same LCD panel, same lumens, different stickers, LumiBeam, heavy ad budget, slick branding. Buyer reports show the content library is locked. You can't easily add Netflix. You can't mirror your phone on most units, and once the themed loops are watched, the device sits in a drawer. Build quality is fine. Software is the killer. Beamly Home, same playbook, same hardware tier. Buyers report 2 specific complaints: locked content, and customer service is a black box when something goes wrong. The viral ad is real. The post-purchase experience is not. Pixie Beam, more serious branding, same locked content issue per reviewers. Some units report dimming after 2 months. Warranty coverage is unclear. Realm Portal, marketed harder on the Realm window aesthetic, same factory hardware, same single trick problem. Oklumi, cheapest of the group on Amazon. Build is rougher. Buyer reviews are mixed. Looks like the ad for a week. Sits in a drawer by week 3 for most owners. To be fair, none of these are technically scams. The product arrives. The picture works. The ads are not fully fake. The problem is what they actually are. A one-trick novelty product at the $99 price point. That's the real category. The hype frames them as cinema. The reality is, they're aesthetic ambient lamps with a fixed library. Knowing that, some people are still happy buyers. Most aren't. By the return rate data, there's one mini projector in this same price range that isn't running the same playbook. simplifytech.shop, plug and play, AI autofocus, pointed at the wall, the picture sharpens itself, full Android operating system, Google Play Store built in, so the projector window scene, full library included, but also Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, wireless screen mirroring iPhone and Android, 3 taps, no cables, HDMI input, plug in a Switch 2, a PS5, a laptop, Bluetooth, connect AirPods so your partner isn't woken up, or connect external speakers for actual punch. All region plugs, works anywhere. The projector window effect is one of dozens of things this machine does. That's the difference between a novelty product and a real piece of equipment. To be fair to the comparison, the Cine X won't replace a $4,000 home theater. It's bright enough for a dark room, bedroom, dim living room, blackout curtains, not for a sunlit living room at noon. If you're trying to project on a wall with floor-to-ceiling windows at midday, this isn't that. For 95% of actual use cases, nighttime, bedroom, evening movie, it works. 2 models to choose from. The Cine X 720p. If you mostly want the projector window scene and casual ambient stuff, this is plenty. Save the cash. The Cine X 1080p. Sharper picture. True 1080p. Better for streaming actual movies. The daily driver if this will become the main screen in your bedroom. If you're comparing to a LumiBeam or a Pixie Beam at the same price, the 1080p is the no-brainer upgrade. Tonight, soft rain on a virtual window, projected across your bedroom wall. Saturday, a movie with friends, 10 feet wide on the living room wall. Sunday morning, fireplace loop on the wall while you make coffee. Tuesday, your laptop mirrored, working in bed, 10 feet wide, same machine, 4 jobs. Every day of the week. That's what the other 4 projectors in this video cannot do. simplifytech Cine X comes with a 6-month warranty and a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee. Keep it for 30 days. If it's not the best investment you've made all year, return it for every cent back. Worldwide shipping included. Link in the description.